Not too long ago, we went to a little town called Canmore for a not-so-little project involving 212 doors and 212 locks.
The whole area just has kind of magic within it. When you come out to Canmore and you experience the mountains, there's kind of a calming, settling effect. We have a traditional hotel that operates inside of the complex. So about half of the property is run like a hotel. The other half of the property is self-managed owners or personal use owners. And for all properties, the one touch point that you have is getting access to your unit when you come for your stay at Solara. So, embracing Salto as the lock provider, Operto as the software provider, helps us create an accessibility to the property for the next 15 years. And so you only get this opportunity once every 15 years, so you want to be very thoughtful about your decision.
The company name Operto actually came from the Italian verb aperto, which is to open. And that is for sure our wheelhouse. We have made our name as being the best at opening doors. Once we got our name there, we started to add in other devices. So that's temperature control, noise and occupancy monitoring, and other in-room technologies to start to create that ecosystem. And that's why we're super excited to be working with Salto on a number of projects all over the world, because we feel that their hardware solutions really help us to bring our ecosystem to life.
One of the other reasons why we picked Operto is because we also recognize that the people who come and visit Canmore enjoy the mountains, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy the environment. Although right now we're really focused on locks, Operto allows us to start focusing on some other things that can improve our footprint as a property on the environment. We kind of know when someone's going to arrive, when the lights need to go on, so they've got a nice, warm, comfort welcoming. But we're also able to reduce the amount of electricity that we're using prior to them arriving. And so part of this project is to kind of usher in that new vision for what the next 10 or 15 years are going to look like, and truly turn Solara into a modern, eco-friendly, smart property.